In the Aarushi Talwar murder, the parents, the Talwars, have been acquitted. Remember, this was a very sensational case where the parents were found guilty of murdering their teenage daughter, Aarushi Talwar, all of 14 years old, in what was believed to have been a horrific honor-killing crime. Now, years later, the Allahabad High Court overturning this decision and now declaring that Rajesh and Nupur Talwar have not murdered their daughter. The Allahabad High Court, which was deciding whether the dentist couple, Nupur and Rajesh Talwar, have not murdered or did not murder, they were not behind the murder of their teenage daughter, Aarushi Talwar, in 2008 at their home in Noida near Delhi. Aarushi, remember, a 14-year-old teenager, was found dead in her bedroom. Then, a day later, Hemraj, the family's domestic help, was discovered killed on the terrace. The Talwars were sentenced to life in prison in 2013. They had appealed against their conviction. That appeal was being heard and the verdict has just come in. Alok Pandey was in court. He heard that verdict. Alok, take us through what happened in court. How did the judges arrive at this decision right now?
Hi, can you hear me properly, first of all?
We can hear you loud and clear, Alok. Go ahead.
Okay. So, what happened basically was that both the judges, the respected judges who were supposed to give the order, they spent about 10 minutes talking about the case, which is a little unnatural, if I can use that word, because generally what happens is the judge comes in, delivers the operative part of the judgment and walks out. But in this case, one of the judges who was reading out the operative part of the judgment has made some notes that I'm going to share. He said that the chain of evidence seems to be sufficient. That is something that I caught from what the judge was saying. He also said that the golden rule in justice is that if you have a situation where there are doubts in a case and you believe that these doubts can either lead to conviction or to acquittal, you have to favor an acquittal. He also said that the benefit of doubt in this case seems to go towards the Talwars. He said that there is no definite conclusion that the accused actually went ahead and carried out these murders. So again, the same thing that the Talwars were claiming from earlier, the Talwars were claiming the same thing in the lower court, that look, you have to give us the benefit of doubt, and that at the end of the day, the CBI has not been able to prove its case in court. So that is something the judges in the High Court have also agreed with. They are saying that, look, the proof is not conclusive, and that if there is a benefit of doubt in the legal justice system, it has to go towards those who are accused or those who can be acquitted. So that is what the High Court has said. That is what the High Court has done. Both Rajesh and Nupur Talwar have been acquitted in this case. This, of course, as we were pointing out, is a case that went on for a long, long time. It was a case that carried on for eight years. The Talwars have been in jail for about 4 years now. And all through this time in the lower court, the Talwars kept on saying that, look, the case that you have against us is based on circumstances that you haven't been able to stitch together. You are making wild conjectures. The CBI kept on saying in lower court that that is not the case and that the proof that we have, it is circumstantial, but we have managed to get enough to tie it to you people. But this court, the High Court, and we'll wait for the larger judgment to come out, but this court says that, look, we believe that the benefit of doubt should go to the Talwars.